Not everybody wants a front. Someone can't do a frig or not have no money on a pocket or not have the size to match anything. Or not so hype and overdo everything.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Good morning, people. Oh my goodness. I know it has been a while since I've posted, since I've done any type of video. Nobody not seen me on Facebook, nobody not seen me on Instagram. But I am here. I'm alive. It's a beautiful day. I've just been busy with this new job, and of course being a wife and a mom. It's just a lot, but I'm here. Thank God we don't have COVID, knock on wood or whatever you want, knock on. We actually got our shots like 2 days ago. So we got our first shot for the COVID vaccine. We did the Pfizer. For me, I only had just like regular vaccine, just little pain on my shoulder after I do it. Troy had a little pain, and I think TJ no complaints and feel nothing. Unfortunately, the other two kids can't get because they're too young. But we did our first. It was like an impromptu situation. We just go in and go jump and go do it. We're glad that we did it. It was something that we were talking about for a minute, but in that moment we just, just go do it. So great things have been happening. Can't complain. I've been blessed. Thank God. I'm so grateful for everything that has been happening and that He has in store for me and my family, near and far. What else happened? Great job, good people around me, great energy. My daughter's birthday is coming up in a couple of days, so I'm planning towards that. We're good over here. Yeah. Anyways, apart from that, well, people, it is fall. One of my second favorite season of the year. My first is spring, apart from the rain. But fall is here. Place feel cool. We have to have on hoodie and jacket and so, but no jacket, but hoodie. Feel nice. I try to remember everything I'm going to tell you about, but things are happening. I'm on my way to the hairdresser, but I'm really early today for the first time in my life. So I have a couple errands I'm need to run on the road. So I'm going to do that before I go there. So that's what's up for today. But today I don't really know vlog situation. I actually want to talk to you about some things. Want to talk to you about, as you see the title, some dirty Wuklis boy out there who thinks that them shit can make party. Understand? Some boy out there who feel like say they're all that and a bag of chips and you're not. Okay? Some boy out there where disrespect woman and feel like so woman and yamed because they maybe have $1 and $2 in their pocket, but at the end of the day you have nothing. Right? So that's what we're talking about today. A serious topic. Come realize that most men, especially these young ladies, don't want to prey on them and feel like say if you have a $1 shilling in your pocket, you don't feel like you can take control of a certain situation and just make them do all these things and feel like you're entitled to certain things. And I'm here to tell you that you're not. And guys, ladies, you know them, and you need to pay attention, because I feel like some of you guys are in some of these so-called relationship with these guys, or they're trying to give you a one talk on the side or whatever not, and they might sound good for the first, maybe you're missing something in your life, and this person may come around and make you feel nice for a minute or whatever not. And when you start to dig deeper, you realize that they're just a hot mess. They're like, them vine there will actually just suck out everything out of the plant, and then just kill the plant eventually. That's how they are with negativity and just bad vibes, right? And you know, these people, I mean, I don't know if it's about them. Like, there's just so much. I don't want... I know it's like Kenisha says, but at the same time, I know a lot of different people watch my channel, and I'm trying not to be disrespectful. Not disrespectful to the man, I'm not really business about them dirty man, them one that I talk about. But like, other people watch my channel, and I want to make sure that, you know, they don't feel some kind of way watching it and feeling like, oh my god, Kenisha is so ratchet. I can be ratchet. I have different sides of me. I keep on telling people this, and the side where you get depends on how you come at me. You understand? And you don't want that ratchet side. And right now I feel like some boy out there want draw that side out of me, right? Don't get it wrong, everything is fine over here in my relationship. I don't nothing to do with my relationship, but them boy know themselves, right? Them know themselves, and as I said before, they come in all different shapes and size and whatever you want to call them. My fingernail look away. So hold on, let me get situated. Get this down, because I feel like this keep on going on my face. Let me get situated and get the lotion from my hand. So, as I was saying, you have the man who have them good woman in their house, them baby mother, them wife, and what them do? Then go cheat, have picnic out the road, and all these things, and then them blame the woman and say, oh, because you need to do this, make me do that. Or because you need to do that, make me do this. Right? That's what them boy there. Love them boy there. At the end of the day, you're now hungry. You understand? Do not stay in a relationship because of what you think people don't say. If you're being abused mentally, physically, or whatever, being cheated on, leave and go.
This is what I learned in all these years on this earth. If somebody want to walk out of your life, let them go.
Leave and go. You understand? Because when you stay and you keep that relationship going, toxic relationship, you know, they will continue. Because no, you make them think, sir, it is okay to do what they're doing. They won't change, they only will get worse. You understand? And then you have the man them out there what may come in as maybe a good friend, try to be more than a friend, right? And yeah, no man in lights, sorry, may I drive? Yeah, try to be more than a friend. And when they try to make them know, say, yo, that now happen, you realize that the disrespect starts, or even the approach of being more than a friend. It's just dirty and not make it one bit just disrespectful, just ratchet, you know what I mean? Now, this is what I want to understand. Them man that were out there will feel like say, okay, them can't get to you, so they don't try your friend, they don't try your sister, they don't try somebody else for you, because they can't get you, right? You turn them down. Or maybe you get them on one star bar sitting. You sweet them, but you never go any further. I know that must hurt. We'll try to stay in our family now. Or in the zone. And I stay in the lookout now in the same area, you know? So then try your friend and try your sister or whatever not. I don't know, maybe to get back at you or something. I really don't know. It really don't make any sense to me. But that is wrong. That is so wrong in so many ways. You know dirty man the mother don't like, nope. Front to front. They don't care where to come from. That's because you're nasty. Like what? Front to front. How dare you try to be with me? You can't get me if you go look my sister. How dare You want dead me, you can't get me, or we left or whatever, not you go dead my friend. And don't get me wrong. If your sister got there with the man, she done right nasty too. Right? And if your friend knowing, because if they didn't know, that's a different story, right? But if they know that you're with this person and still go outside anyway, if you go do whatever, obviously we know that it's a cut-off thing, long time. We don't need to question that. We don't need to question that because I'm not the only man, and it takes two, right? But my point of all of this is to say, no man for stop. No man to Wuklis. Get a life. Stop looking so desperate. Not everybody wants a front. Someone can't do a frig. Or not have no money on a pocket. Or not have the size to match anything. Or not so hype and overdo everything.
What the hell was I thinking? I done been there. I was like, what was wrong with me? What was I going through? I must have been lonely as hell to hook up with you.
Dude, if you don't have people complimenting you about your package, stop going around thinking that it's all that and a bag of chips. If you don't have somebody complimenting how you do your thing, stop going around feeling like you're all that, because you're not. If you're not have at certain age, have your own house, have a car, financially stable, how the hell are you going to be helping out somebody else? How can you promise to pay somebody else's bill and all this shit when you do not have what it takes right now? You need to get your life together first. If you have kids to mind, take care of putting them, sort out yourself, and then go back to relationship. You understand? What you need to stop. It's not sexy anymore. Especially the older you get, you don't have your shit together. Nobody wants that. So no man, if you go pull up on the socks, rewind and come again. Because we ladies, me telling you already, always I telling you, we don't need, and especially when they come like say, we desperate, we want your money, we want this. Boy, please. So like, you guys just stop. I don't know on yourself. I don't know on yourself. I'm not talking no parables or whatever. I don't know on yourself. I don't stop. Nobody no wants. Do something else on yourself first. We might come again, be it or something. And then maybe, just maybe, we might look on. But you need to stop. You guys need to stop. Like this is crazy. Right? This is crazy. So I know I had to get that out. Because some of you guys need to hear it. You seriously need to hear it. And it's 2021. You guys need to get a grip of yourself. The same old move we used to make in 2001, in 2004, it's not working anymore. Like, you need to upgrade yourself. You need to upgrade your argument. You need to upgrade your style. You need to upgrade your, I don't know. You need to do something, right? But you're now looking pathetic, okay? Just stop. Just stop. So, I'm trying to get more videos. Apart from that, guys, let me just jump off of that real quick. But that's my main topic. Like, I just want you guys to look out for them dirty man, yeah? Make them understand themselves. Cut them off real quick if you have them in your life right now. And anybody just toxic out there, like, nobody needs anybody toxic in their life right now. Like, right now, COVID are going with this thing already. you know, we don't need any other bag of drama and all that shit. Like, just stop. Like, period. Just stop. So yeah, so I'm gonna jump off of that topic real quick. I want to tell you guys that the vaccine, you need to think about it. Think about, you know, do your research and find out what's best for you. Not forcing anybody to go and take it, but I would advise you to go and do so, especially if you're that type of person that always want to be outside every day to protect yourself and protect your family. Okay, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so. Like this video, share. Mr. Subscriber, subscribe again. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And go ahead and watch all my other videos, guys. And as I said before, I know I've been off the scene for a moment. I apologize. But may I tell us that I am not that, I mean, apart from work and just not having the time anymore, you know, it's just crazy. But I promise you more coming. One is I'm traveling, and that's one of the reasons I'm going to take my shot too. Don't know when and where, but me tell you when it come it out hard, start out and do some more videos with my sisters. Big up all my new subscribers, all my original subscribers too, that hearted fans that keep on watching every day. Big up Tanisha, my cousin over there. Big up yourself, coming know, say you're one of my dad fan. I appreciate you so much. My mommy, my sister Manda, big up yourself. And Susan, every week get up on this. Thank you guys thank you guys for everybody who continue to watch. For the new subscribers, I said welcome to the family. Have a lot of new things in store coming out for you guys. You know, more vlogs and stuff like that. I want to do more sit down videos with you guys, because I know that's how I started and you guys like that, so I will be doing more of that. It's just crazy, I haven't gotten the time. And I know I haven't been posting anything, especially Instagram, like apart from my videos, I haven't been doing any. I'm not that person to get up every day and take pictures every time I go anywhere. That's to do with me in my 20s or whatever, not like early 20s. I just don't feel the energy. I don't even take pictures of my kids like that anymore anyway. So guys, just do with me and just continue watching. All right, continue sharing the video. Drop a comment. Don't forget to drop a comment. Tell me what them dirty nasty boy there. All right, tell me how you feel about the vaccine as well. All right, so until later, guys. Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel.